So evaluate the integral. Upper limit we have 1, lower limit 0. X squared minus 2x minus 3 with respect to x. This is under integral calculus, under subcategory definite integral. So calculus has got two parts, the differential calculus and the integral calculus. Under integral calculus, we have the definite integral, which has the limits, like in this case, upper limit and lower limit. This is the definite integral one. And we also have the indefinite integral, which has got no limits at all. So now, whenever, I like telling my students that whenever you are dealing with these questions under calculus, make sure you make all the powers to be visible. The variables also, you should include them. Now look at these three. We'll write x to the power 0. Why? Because we know that x to the power 0 is 1, and 1 times 3, it will go back to 3. Even here, x to the power 1, same as x. So as you can see, the powers are descending. The powers are descending, so it will be easy like that. So this is what you are supposed to do. So under integration, we add the powers, and the same power we divide by the same terms. So let's do it. X 2 plus 1 over 2 plus 1 minus 2 1 plus 1 over the same 1 plus 1 minus 3 x 0 plus 1 over the same 0 plus 1. Then you use these brackets, and here we have a 1, you have a 0. 1 and a 0, the ones we had. You see? So now, we're adding with a 1. We divide the same power, divide. So we simplify. 2 plus 1, it will mean 3, even here to be 3. This one, it will mean 1 plus 1, it will mean 2. Even this one is a 2. You see this? We'll be able to cancel in the next step. Then here we have 0 plus 1, 1 over 1, right? We have 1, we have a 0. See this? So next step, we know this and this, they cancel. You have x to the power 3 over 3 minus x squared minus, you know, x to the power 1, same as just x, and 1 into 3x squared, 1 into 3x to the power 1, same as just 3x. I mean, same as 3x, yes, the way it is, right? 1 into 3x is 3x, so leave it like that. 1, 0. So in the next step, we need to replace. Where there's x, we put 1. Then later on, where there will be x, we put 0. So we do it. We have 1 to the power 3 over 3 minus 1. See this? Like that. You do this. Then here, you are going to replace with a 0. Where there's x, we put 0 now. So we have 0 to the power 3 over 3 minus 0 to the power 2 minus 3 times 0. Then you have this, right? You replace now with a 0. See that? So 1 to the power 3 is 1 over 3 minus 1 squared is 1 minus, this is negative 3 times 1, negative 3. Now this side, since there's 0, 0, 0, 0, your final answer will be just a 0. Some people won't even write this because it's a 0. They know whenever you replace in this case to be just a 0. So it means we need to simplify this side. 1 over 3 minus 1 negative 3. So negative 1 minus 3 is negative 4. Then minus 0, won't even write it because it will still be 0. It's nothing. We won't write it down. Let us just simplify this one. So 1 over 3 minus 4, here, since it's in a fraction form, even here, do over 1. Then you look for the common denominator, which is a 3. where 3 and 1 will go without giving you a remainder is a 3. 3 into 3, 1. 1 times 1, you have 1. Minus 1 into 3, 3. 3 times 4, you have 12. 1 minus 12, you have negative 11 over 3. So positive into negative is negative. Positive into negative is negative. Then 3 into 11, you have, how many times does it go? It goes there 3 times. And what will be the remainder? It will be 2 over the same 3. So in paper 2, some people can just punch on their calculators. Still, they will be able to get the same answer. This is what you're supposed to do under definite integral.